If you're anything like me, you are constantly looking for good cleaning products. I know I clean all kinds of things, my bathroom specifically, like tile, you know, behind the toilet, like just weird areas, right? And always looking for a tool that's gonna help me do that. So this company actually sent these for me to review, which I'm really excited about, because you have one that just has kind of the base, and then you have one that has additional attachments that you can leverage, but a tool that will allow you to clean not only just your home, but also maybe your car or other areas that you need to clean out. So really excited to get these open. If you have ever seen these little scrub brushes, they work super well, and I love that they have multiple attachments for them. So you have two options. You can actually get the brush by itself, but then you can also get a kit that has the brush and a different attachment, so you can use it just depending on what your preferences are and what you need for your shower. So let's go ahead and get these open and see what's inside. Here they are open, and I love the size of these. I think this is gonna be really, really perfect. So this is gonna be used if you have something that you wanna like detail clean. Again, if you have like grout or you have tile, that'd be really easy to clean. I also think you can use this for like detailing your car possibly, and then also cleaning out like a toolbox or different things. I think this would work really, really well. It feels very, very good in the hands. This little area here is like non-slip, so it wouldn't slip out of your hands when it's moving. I do like that you get an instruction guide that just kind of walks you through exactly what's included. In this version, you get all of these additional attachments, but also how you use it, how you turn it on, etc. So I love that that's included. And then this one, so you can see this is your base set that's just going to come with the brush itself. You do get the one head there, and this one is a little bit kind of tapered. You can see here that it does kind of go in a little bit at an angle, but these brushes do feel nice and coarse. So again, it's when it's moving and it's electronic, like I mentioned, it's going to work very well. So it does also have a charging cable. So this is an electronic product. It has a USB to USB-C cord. And then you can see here that you also have an extender neck as well. So depending on the size that you need for cleaning, you can just attach this and be good to go. I also really, really like, again, the size on this. I think it's going to make it really easy for you to even travel with if you want to have that cleaning on the go as well. So here is it all put together. I added this piece here, and that clicks in place nicely, and then you have the head there, as you can see. But again, super comfortable in your hands. It's not heavy at all, which is also great, because again, if you're cleaning a lot of surfaces, you definitely want something that's going to be really lightweight and easy. It's not going to bog you down or not going to hold you down. The charge on this is amazing. So it does come with like a probably like a mid-level charge, so I can start using it now, which is great, but it holds you the charge for up to 90 minutes, which is awesome. Again, you're able to do, you know, your shower and everything else that you need to do, and you won't have it die on you. So with this kit, you do get some additional accessories, which I really like. So it does give you the Velcro pad here that you can pop that on, and then you can add your scouring pads. You can see you have a bunch of those that you can leverage as needed, depending on what you're cleaning. I also like that you have multiple brushes depending on the size. So again, if depending on the surface that you need, like this one might be a little bit more delicate versus one that's a little bit more thicker and a little bit more harsh. You have some options there. This one I love. I'm actually going to try this right now for grout, because check out that angle, right? So that's really going to get into the grooves and allow you to clean the grout, which is going to be awesome. And then you have this wider one as well. So again, depending on if you have a larger cleaning surface, this one might actually work really well for that as well. But lots of options. I'm going to go tackle the grout and see what that looks like. So I have the brush right here, and I did put the little pointy one on there. So I want to show you how it's going to work with the grout. And so far, so good. Check that out. It's just this little square that I did. Okay, so let's go ahead and rinse. Wow. So that's pretty great. Look at how dirty this one is over here. And this is the one that I cleaned. 1, 2, 3. So check out how beautiful that is. And again, that didn't take me that long. Super easy to do with the brush. All right, let's see what it does for this little area here on the sink. Rinse that off. But yeah, all that scum that was on the top, that is gone. When you need to charge it, you just plug it in using the charging cable, and you can see the lights will illuminate to validate that it is indeed charging. Final thoughts on this brush. I think it is awesome. Again, you're going to be able to use it for so many different things, both inside your home, outside, in the car. Very, very versatile. It's so easy to handle. It feels really good in your hands. You're able to charge it easily. And again, you have a few options. You can get the unit itself with the one brush, or you can also get the one that has the multiple accessories as well. But excited to have this one. It's going to work wonders for me.